In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam slow disk usage, a common and frustrating problem that can make your game updates and installations take forever, even when you have a fast internet connection. If you have ever noticed that your download speed drops to 0 while your disk usage stays incredibly low or inconsistent, this tutorial is exactly what you need to get your library back up to speed. Dealing with slow disk writing in Steam is often caused by fragmented temporary files or a clogged cache that prevents the software from efficiently writing data to your drive. This method is the most effective way to refresh your installation settings without having to reinstall your entire library. If this video helps you get back to gaming faster, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech fixes. Alright, let's get started with the troubleshooting process. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged in. Once the main interface loads, look at the top left corner of the window. Click on the word Steam in the menu bar to open the drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This will open a new window containing all of your configuration options. On the left-hand sidebar of the Settings window, find and open the tab labeled Downloads. This section manages how Steam handles all incoming data and hardware interaction during the installation process. Within the Downloads menu, look toward the bottom of the page where you will find a button that says Clear Download Cache. Clicking this is a vital step because it flushes out all the temporary configuration data and old junk files that might be stalling your disk writes. When you click this button, Steam will provide a confirmation prompt warning you that this will clear your local download cache and that you will need to log into Steam again. Go ahead and confirm this action. Steam will automatically close and refresh its core files. Once the application restarts, enter your login credentials to get back into your account. By clearing this cache, you've essentially forced Steam to reindex its write paths, which often resolves the bottleneck between your internet downlink and your hard drive or SSD. You should notice a significant improvement in how consistently Steam utilizes your disk space during the next update. Beyond this, ensure that your drive has enough free space and that no other heavy background processes are hogging your disk resources in the task manager. This simple maintenance step is the first thing every gamer should do when performance starts to dip. If this video helped you fix the issue, remember to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.